Welcome to the channel, the 4x4 window cleaner. Using a truck for my work has created some new ways of me storing window cleaning equipment. With the Nissan 2nd Gen Navara, or Frontier as it's known in the US, the length of the bed is reduced due to the double cab. So trying to store my WFP can be difficult, especially if I've got a lot of sections to the pole. As you can see, it sticks out past the camper. But by fitting the Yakima AceO'Spades to the roof bars of your truck is one way to safely secure your WFP. And maybe this is something you'd like to try if you run a truck that has a short bed. Now you notice that the clamp design and the shape of the Yakima AceO'Spades fits perfectly over the pole, and it will secure it down to sections 1 and up to section 8. But I have noticed that any pole sections wider than section 8 won't really fit within the clamp that well. But when you're not using the pole, or you're going to be away from your truck for a time, it's good to make use of the locking feature, and this really adds to keeping it secure on the rooftop and avoids it being stolen. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.